Hey, you. Oh my gosh. Bodacious?
This is Bodacious?
And what's your name?
Mr. Rockefeller.
Mr. Rockefeller. You're pretty amazing.
I love how he just lays there. He's so cute. Do you have to brush him?
Oh, look at her. Oh my. That what? Oh.
Oh, this is fun.
Oh, I
This
want
is
hair
fun.
like this. I'm jealous.
Frankie, you tried to have hair like this, didn't you?
I should. I need to grow my hair. I need to grow my hair out. So.
I love how it flows in the wind like that.
Oh, I'm gonna miss it here and all the funny dogs. Look at it. I love it.